Hi, good day everyone, especially to young learners out there. Another interesting topic I will introduce today. We have there the concepts in biology known as photosynthesis. A question, how photosynthesis takes place. So as defined, photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light into chemical energy stored in food. It is divided into light reaction phase and dark reaction phase. In light reaction phase, water is split into hydrogen and oxygen. Then the dark reaction, however, requires that the light reaction immediately precede dim. So in practice, both reaction occur in light. Then the dark reaction is referred as carbon dioxide. So these are important concepts in biology. And to add, there are two light reactions that occur in green plants, namely cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. These are important words in biology. Thank you. And next time, once again, we will be together. Bye.